gone to the birds, Taizo. We've gone to the birds. So the Eva Bird Show is for a good cause coming up this weekend. And we've got Cameron Datanagan and Lennie Mefford from California. And they're going to tell us a little bit more. So Cameron, these are actually your birds.
Yes, our
and they're
pets.
your pets.
Yes.
And they're quite beautiful.
Yeah,
oh my
that's
gosh,
a
so
Jacobin
soft.
pigeon, a giant runt, white-crested black Polish, and that's a Japanese Frizzo Bantam.
And don't forget about Ichiban.
Oh, Ichiban is a Budapest tumbler.
Okay. And so, tell us a little bit about why you're having this event.
We're trying to get the kids off the computers and into the backyard with pets, non-traditional pets, not just the cat and dogs, but chickens. At the event, we're going to have chickens, pigeons, guinea pigs, quails, turtles, poise, canary, finch, BMX bikes, and getting them off the computer. Yeah.
Wonderful. And so, would you say that birds are easier to care for than, say, a dog?
Yes.
Okay.
Well, they fly to you. You can hand feed everybody, and I had pigeons all my life, so yeah, I guess for me it's easier.
Wonderful. And so, Lennie, you came all the way from California, and so what do we have unique birds here in Hawaii compared to other groups?
Basically, all the birds are probably feathered, but most of the birds live in the area.
But then some of the people here on the island, would you say they have a good amount of
Oh yeah, they have
diversity?
pretty good quality pigeons here. They ship them quite a few. They've been really proactive in their growth.
Would you say that pigeons have a bad rap, maybe? That people don't think they're beautiful, or because look at this one. This is incredible. Queen Elizabeth.
Most pigeons, actually, most pigeon people don't. They do have a bad rap because they think pigeons are the ones that have those spots in your car and stuff like that. But most pigeons, but domesticated pigeons like these, they're not surviving.
Why do they make good pets?
Because they're easy, they're easy to train, they're real loyal. You feed them different times.
Definitely. All right. So the Eva Bird Show. It's happening this weekend, which is tomorrow, actually.
Yes.
And where's it going to be?
At Eva School, Eva Elementary on Renton Road. Yes.
And so why should people come and check it out?
We have a whole bunch of people, a bunch of friends. We're trying to bring the community back, the old Eva style back. You get all the top clubs of the Canaries, the Finch, going to be there talking to the kids, the professionals talking to the amateurs.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
And you can literally see how beautiful these birds are.
Yeah. Instead of going on the internet and everything, you have the top breeders there, especially this guy.
Yeah, gorgeous. And you have youngsters as well, so that's why you're even more motivated.
A little story when I had the earthquake and blackout. I told my kids go outside and play, and they didn't know what to do. So that motivated me to get them into the backyard. Do stuff. Yeah.
Cameron, Lennie, thank you so much for bringing these beautiful birds. Can I go with one? Okay, Ichiban, number 1. Do I need 2 minutes? So he doesn't fly away? Okay. All right, wake up today with us.